New at 6 tonight. It's been 5 years now since casino gaming was legalized in Ohio, and a new report says the state's casinos are providing a boost to the economy. The American Gaming Association released the study, which was conducted by Oxford Economics out of England. The study shows Ohio's gaming industry is contributing more than $2 billion a year to the Ohio economy, supporting 14,000 jobs and generating close to $700 million in tax revenues. The head of Hollywood Casino in Toledo says the report proves the casinos are living up to expectations.
There are a lot of commitments made early on relative to recruitment, hiring stats, economic impacts relative to generating business to local businesses, whether it's on a regional Northwest Ohio basis or statewide basis. And I think as time goes on, we show that we're fulfilling those commitments, and year over year, you'll continue to watch those numbers grow.
Out of the 14,000 jobs supported by gaming in Ohio, 1,000 of those are right here in Toledo. That's how many people are employed by Hollywood Casino.